In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have quick alerts sent to your inbox every time someone submits a response, so you can stay on top of feedback without constantly checking your form. Start by opening your form in Google Forms in edit mode, not the preview or live respondent view. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the editing toolbar and the tabs across the top. Look toward the top center of the screen for the tab labeled Responses. It sits next to Questions and sometimes Settings, depending on your layout. Click Responses to switch from building your questions to managing incoming submissions. This is the hub where you can see totals, summaries, and controls related to responses, so it's exactly where the notification option lives. With the Responses tab open, look for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. You'll find this in the upper right area of the Responses panel, near the link to open results in a spreadsheet. On smaller screens, you may need to maximize your window or scroll slightly to spot it. Click those three dots to reveal additional response tools. This menu contains the setting we need. From that menu, choose Get Email Notifications for new responses. As soon as you click it, the setting turns on for your account. You might see a check mark next to the option to confirm it's active. From now on, each new submission will trigger an email to the address associated with your Google account. If you ever want to turn notifications off, return to the same menu and click the option again to uncheck it. A few helpful notes before we wrap up. This notification setting is user-specific. That means if you're collaborating on the form, each editor can decide whether they personally receive emails. The emails may arrive with a short delay depending on traffic, but they generally come through quickly. If your form gets a high volume of responses and your inbox starts to fill up, consider using your email app's filters or rules to label or file these messages automatically, so they stay organized. And if you need more advanced alerts or summaries in the future, remember that the linked spreadsheet, if you choose to use one, has its own notification tools, but that's optional and separate from this quick toggle. That's it. Open your form, go to Responses, click the three dots, and turn on Get Email Notifications for new responses. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.